Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Nice to be here again. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing to my channel. And I still want to plead with you, please don't forget to subscribe and watch this video with your friend. Today I want to discuss about hand sanitizer. As we all know, there is a coronavirus that is all over the world now. There is a solution for it, which is cleanliness. And how do you be clean? You need to wash your hands every now and then. To make this hand sanitizer, we only need 4 ingredients. Let me say ingredients. Number 1 is hydrogen peroxide, which is we only need like 16 milliliters. Then we need glycerin and rose water. Lastly, we need methylated spirit. All these 4 ingredients together, then we mix it. It is now good for using in the house, in the hospitals, and in the offices, just to make sure that you are clean every time. Now, let's try to prepare it. This is 200 liters of methylated spirit. 200 liters, then I will make like 650 liters, 650 milliliters. Another 200, then another 200, making 600. Okay, let's make it 700, which is half of this. 700 milliliters of methylated spirit. Then rose water and glycerin mixed together. Rose water and glycerin, this is just 11 milliliters. I already mixed it together. Then I'll pour it in. Lastly, we have our hydrogen peroxide, which is 16 liters. This is 100 milliliters, so we need 16 milliliters of it. Okay, let me use this. This is 5, another 5, another 5, 15, and 1, making 16 milliliters. Then done. We need to mix everything together. We shake together. It doesn't matter the methylated spirit you use, it might be white. Some of us have never seen the blue methylated spirit, but blue methylated spirit or white, it is doing the same work. It's working the same way. Then we now pour it into our bottle, smaller bottle, which we can use anywhere. Smaller bottles which we can use. This is hand sanitizer. There is no coronavirus that can come near your hand or your house once you have this at hand. You can put it in the bag. Okay, this is how to use it. And you rub your hand with it after using the toilet or anywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Ronke Shola. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Remain blessed and remain safe. Bye-bye.